how to create experience on Airbnb. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create experience on Airbnb. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Airbnb app on your device. So simply you have to open it. And now after you open the Airbnb app, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to tap on the show profile option. So simply tap on it. And now on the profile section you'll have to tap on edit just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Okay, so now on the edit profile section you'll have to make a unique and professional ID by adding this credential here. So like you have to give the information like where you have been always wanted to go, your work, your fun fact, pets, decade when you was born, where you went to school, like although you have to give all of the information to make your professional ID here. And on the another section you'll have to explain about yourself and add something intro, that's something fun and punchy about yourself. So simply you can add here. And on the another section you have to choose whether other people can see all the places you have been on Airbnb. So simply you can set the destination from here. And now on the another section you'll have to add the interest from where people can know your interest. So simply by tapping on this you will be able to add your interest on here. Like interest will be like food, museum, outdoor, reading. And in this whole section you will be add multiple interests from here. So after you make the interest from here you'll have to click on this done option just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you complete from there you have to scroll down and go with the options like get the badge. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now to get the badge on Airbnb you'll have to add your ID here. So from here you'll have to capture your ID here, and after the verification is complete you'll be able to get badge on Airbnb accounts. So simply after you complete from here, just back from here, and now from here you'll have to tap on this create profile option. So simply from there you'll be able to create a unique and professional experience on Airbnb app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.